Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! So since I only ordered oils this month, all I have is this little package, which at first I didn't even know it was my Young Living order until I turned it around and saw this. So yeah, let's dig into it. Alright. I do not have a lot this time. I'll show you guys. Let's start. I think this is the freebie. Yeah. So this month, the promotional item was this Orange Vitality. So since it's part of the Vitality line, it has the white label, it means that you can use it for ingestion, meaning you can place a couple drops under your tongue, you can put it in your tea or lattes, coffee, whatever. You can use it in your cooking. Yeah, however you want to do it. I use a lot of my Vitality oils in my morning coffee or tea. Like this morning I used the clove that I got last month and I put a few drops in my coffee and it was tasty. So yeah, I got the orange. I'll probably be adding this to a lot of teas and smoothies actually too. I did a mango smoothie with the lemon oil and that was delicious. So yeah, love the Vitality oils. And the ones that I had ordered this month are bigger bottles, which I'm so excited. So this one is EndoFlex. So I know that I had mentioned in one of my art videos, I think it was my acrylic painting supplies video. Yeah, I think at the end of that one I mentioned briefly what's been going on kind of in my family. So in short, I don't know that he wants me to go into a lot of detail, but somebody in my family was diagnosed with thyroid cancer, and we have been just kind of, it's nothing that's not too crazy, but at the same time we've all been dealing with emotions in our own ways, and it's something that my husband has to get looked into as well. So EndoFlex, I don't know if it'll focus for you guys. EndoFlex is a great thyroid supporting oil. So this, I'm going to make a roller blend for both my husband and myself, and we're going to be rolling it on our thyroids once, twice a day, whatever, either in the morning or at night, and it provides all different sorts of support. If you look at all the different things that your thyroid does for your body, it regulates a lot of different hormones and a lot of different functions in your body. So yeah, this was a big one, and it's near and dear to my heart right now as we're all going through this trialing period, and I'm hoping that this will help my husband out too, because we have found that he's got similar types of issues going on as well, and right now we're still kind of waiting to find out what's going to happen. But so far there's been no bad news. I'll just leave it at that. But yeah, so EndoFlex, big one for this month. And the next, this is a funny one, the next oil that I had ordered is this pretty bottle. Oh, wow, what a pretty bottle. I love the green color. But this one is called Dragon Time. And much like the name, it is for women along that time of the month where, you know, maybe your husband just wants you to tame the dragon. So there's all sorts of mood boosting support in this. Yeah, all of the female stuff. Not digging too much into all of the science behind these, but it's a good one to research. I've heard nothing but amazing things about it, and it's really supported a lot of women during that time of the month. So yeah, that's Dragon Time. And the last oil that I got is another one that's specifically for me in my womanhood. So this one is called Progessence Plus. And due to, this is a really pretty glass bottle. It's like a frosted bottle. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so due to compliance sake, I can't give you guys a lot of what I want to say about these. I just encourage you, like always, to do your own research and look into different testimonies and stuff with people sharing about their use on the products. But yeah, here on YouTube I can't talk about it, but message me, and if you want to hear any more, I'll let you know. So Progessence Plus is, I've heard a bunch of people say, and I felt like I needed to get it after that, but everybody talks about this oil and says that if you are a woman, you need this in your life. Basically, it's all sorts of female system support. We'll just say that. I mean, the name is Progessence Plus. I mean, Progessence. Think about it. Yeah, so that's the last one that I got for this month. I'm going to be, really with all of these 3 key oils, I'm going to be making rollers and different blends. My husband and I are trying to conceive, so there'll be some good ones for fertility, so I'm going to make a fertility blend and just hormonal support for when the time of the month comes. And I'm mad about it, and I want to tame my dragon. Yeah. So that's everything that I have for this month, you guys. It was a really, really tempting month because every month Young Living releases different promotions that they do, and they give away things at certain PV levels, and PV is sort of just like your dollar range almost. It's almost pretty much exact. Yeah, so if you hit 300, which I was so tempted to hit that 300, you get pretty much the whole line of the Thieves Cleaner for free, which is insane. But yeah, so basically I wanted all of the things this month, and I talked myself out of it. I'll probably regret it later as I start really needing dish soap and all of those household supplies. But yeah, so that's what was in my rewards order this month. Now I'll let you guys know right away here, now that we're done looking into my essential rewards order. Young Living, just a few days ago, I think maybe just yesterday, they released a flash sale. So they're doing a 10% off the Desert Mist Starter Kit. Now I actually did splurge, and I went ahead and I purchased one for myself. A lot of the oils that I got in my starter kit have been running low, and yeah, it's making me nervous because I don't want to buy all of the oils separately. So seeing that they were doing this promotion and they were opening it up to people that were already members as well, like, that was bonkers to me. So I went ahead and I ordered the kit. I'm getting all of my oils restocked, and the price was only $144 compared to that normal $160. So yeah, they redid the starter kit, so now that you get a little bit more, and it's a little bit different than it used to be. So they're trying to sell out all of their old Desert Mist starter kits. So yeah, you still get such a good deal for that price. It's insane. You get 11 oils. I don't remember all of them right now. I'm not going to try to list them and embarrass myself. But you get 11 different oils. You get 2 Ningxia Red supplement drinks. So they're like an energy drink, and they're like made with wolfberry, and they're super, super good for you. Yeah, so you get 2 of those, and then you get a Thieves Cleaner sample packet, which I made a video about this. So you guys, I'll leave that video down in the link, but I'll leave that video link down in the description, if I could talk. Yeah, so you guys can see how to use that sample pack. It's like such a good value. It's insane. It's now been 3 months since I've joined Young Living, and I've not had to buy any cleaner yet at all. And I'm a clean freak, so yeah, a little bit goes a long way. Yeah, so they're doing that promotion, and it only lasts until they sell out of everything. So if you guys are interested in joining Young Living, now is an amazing time, and get on that essential rewards so you can get stuff like this just for free, and for getting your stuff restocked. Like, it's insane to me. Yeah, if you love oils, and you're going to love the products if you just try them out, just hear me out and try it. You're going to love it. If you don't, whatever, you can just cancel it. It's no big deal. Like, there's no binding commitments or anything. But yeah, I think I'm kind of rambling on and going on a spiel now. So yeah, if you are interested in joining, let me know. You can get your kit for $144, and yeah, just send me a message. I'll be happy to help you out. I also like to give, I'll just show you guys really quick since they're sitting right here. I also like to give away for my new team members a roll-on or a massage oil. You pick, and I'll make one for you, and I'll send it to you, because it takes a little while unless you do like overnight shipping, which is awesome if you want to do that. I don't want to pay extra for overnight shipping. I'll just wait. But yeah, so while you're waiting on your oils, I'll send you little yeah, little roller blend and recipes and just, yeah, all starter basic, and we'll get you hooked into all of our Facebook groups, and you'll see some of our other team members, and we'll get to chatting because you're not going to be doing this by yourself. You're going to be doing it with me and a bunch of other amazing women. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this journey of starting young living in a toxic-free lifestyle, let me know. Otherwise, thank you. I'm done rambling. Thanks for watching, you guys. And I'll see you all in the next video. I'm thinking I'm going to do a young living hack video or like a beauty recipe, something like that. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.